This is Mantis Metallic Pearl. The warehouse guys were clearing out some shelves. We're kind of getting prepared to move to a new facility, and they found several bags of this. They asked me what it was. I'd never seen it before. It's a Did Spade Pearl. So Gabe and I went onto the Did Spade website to check it out, and it wasn't even there. So this is a lost, discontinued Did Spade Pearl, and we absolutely have to spray it. So it's clearly going to show some green tones. We don't know if it shifts. We don't know if it has other elements or hues to it. Let me show you what it looks like in powder form. This is Mantis Pearl. What are you seeing, Gabe? I'm almost seeing maybe some blues or maybe some golds.
I'd say more golds, like a mint green and a gold.
Do we have any pearls on the DYC side that you think would match this? Because I don't know of anything.
I don't think so. I mean, teen green would be the closest as far as that mint green, but you don't get that gold.
What we have planned for Mantis is we're going to spray it over Poison Grape Performance Series. Why are we going to spray an unknown green pearl over a rich, saturated metallic purple? Because we can. Good enough for me. Now, pigment load. When we're using pearls that we don't know anything about, the lower the pigment load, the better. Gives us more sense of control, will help us avoid clouding, striping, blotchiness, and we can always add more. So we're going 5 grams a gallon. It's a very light, fluffy pearl, and I am seeing some golds, almost like vintage gold style on the top there. Let's see how it blends. Okay. That is weird. Is this a shift or is this a solid?
I don't know. Maybe it's kind of like Bora Bora.
Like a subtle kind of vibe shift? This is kind of confusing to me. I don't know why this was discontinued. I got to ask Chris from Did Spade why this pearl is no longer available. See, that really confused me because that's almost coppery. Or am I bugging out? See what I'm saying? It's got the green, but it's got like a bronzish. You know what this almost looks like? But not really. Like a non-Hypershift ZTL in the sense that it has the green and then that like bronzy gold.
Yeah.
Are you seeing that?
Oh yeah. It's like a brass color.
Yeah. Now how that is going to look over a deep saturated metallic purple, but we're doing it. I'm freaking pumped about this one. I love the ones where we have no idea what's going to happen. Are you ready?
Oh yeah.
I'm ready. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Now, when we got this Mantis Pearl, I didn't know what it was going to do. At first, we thought it was just going to add a green effect over the Poison Grape. Then we thought maybe just kind of a gold or a bronze effect. And now that I got it outside, I don't even know what kind of effect it added. I got to talk to Chris at Did Spade and see what the story is behind this pearl. But I'm going to take it outside right now, and you guys know what to do. Take a good look at this color, leave a comment below, and rate it for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you hate it. Now, if you want to change the color of your own wheels, your own emblems, your whole car, head straight to DipYourCar.com. We have a ton of kits, a ton of colors, and they're all do-it-yourself friendly. Gabe and I had a ton of fun making this video for you. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.